What's up, my shooting stars? It's Chase the Star. Today I'm going to be unboxing a Hot Wheels 5-pack, and it is Hot Wheels Design Lab. And without further ado, let's unbox this Hot Wheels 5-pack. Alright guys, here is the Hot Wheels Design Lab 5-pack, and we're going to go one car at a time from top to bottom. Alright, so the first car is the GM Chevrolet. And honestly, this car looks outstanding. Everything about this car is spectacular. I mean, everything. The yellow, orange, and pink lines and the circles. The Hot Wheels logo on the side. The word science. And how it's a convertible. Everything about this car is amazing. And out of all the 5 cars, 3 of them look pretty cool, and the GM Chevrolet is one of them. I mean, oh my gosh, this car looks amazing. And not to mention the wheels of how it has the orange lines and the tires are white. This car looks outstanding. Next up is Hot Wheels High. And this car looks pretty decent. You can see the seats from the top view. It has the Hot Wheels logo in yellow. It has like the angles and stuff right there. And right here it has 16x, 45 degree. And here's the front view. And the other side. And it has engineering. And it has 100 ILBS. And it has the same thing on the other side. And here's the booster on the back here. I didn't know Hot Wheels High had that. But all in all, Hot Wheels High is one of my favorite Hot Wheels cars. But I think this car looks alright. Next car is Sun Crow. And honestly, this car looks outstanding. Of how it says Crate and the Hot Wheels logo in blue. And the split colors of pink, blue, and orange. And the tires are pink. And in the inside, the seats are orange. This car looks outstanding. And on the other side, it has the Hot Wheels logo and the paint. And it says art right here. This car looks outstanding. It's one of the best cars from the Design Lab 5-pack. This car looks outstanding for the 5-pack. It looks outstanding. Everyone can agree that this car looks awesome. Next up is Off Track. And honestly, this car looks amazing. And it's on the picture right here. I like how it says Tech Racing with the Hot Wheels logo. And also it says C2727. And also the design of it, everything about Off Track for the 5-pack, it looks amazing. Like a cyber-like look. Looks outstanding. Really like it. I like it a lot. Looks awesome. I feel like Hot Wheels is really improving with Hot Wheels cars, but These cars for the design lab looks outstanding, and Off Track is one of the best ones in the 5-pack. And last but certainly not least, we have Time Tracker. And you guys can already tell that I already have a time tracker. And you can see the Hot Wheels logo right here. It has some numbers right here for math. And also it has the number pi right here, 3.14. It has the number 5. And has SQR. So I can definitely tell that this is a math Hot Wheels car. And also it has the plus sign, the multiplication sign, the minus sign, and the division sign. And it also has the Hot Wheels logo in white. And if you guys can take a close look at the car, you can actually see the word math. And it also has 1.618. And also you can see, if you look closely, you can see HW for Hot Wheels. Look, that looks pretty awesome. I really like it. Alright guys, so that wraps up this unboxing and review video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.